Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will show you a review of this table lamp which is from Esellinq. It is from Home Center, having a height of 28.5 centimeter, and it is ideal for a room with muted tones and somber style. It requires CFL of 9 volt, LED of 5 volt and having a on off switch. So you can use these two bulbs for this. It requires E14 specification bulb. So the specification of bulb should be E14. That means the rings or having the bulb should contain of size of E14. So that we need. So which bulb? It is written over here. And which room? Bedroom, living room, dining room. Style is given. It is having a modern style. And create moods. So what moods it can create? Accent lighting, task lighting also it can create. That means dim or very bright light, and the direction of light is given. So it will move like this. It will coming out in this 4 direction. So let's open this and see what we have. So if I open a box, I can get this manual, which is like this. So you can see this manual, and this is the light lamp. So this is the light lamp, and I purchased it for 17 dirhams only from Home Center. So you have to remove this ring. You can come out, and over here we got this tag. So it is having this glass structure, you can see, and the wire is coming out from this side, and this glass structure is very nice. So I purchased these two bulbs from Esellinq, and it is E14 and having 4 volt of power and having 360 lumens. It is warm white. So this is the bulb, and I can fix this over here. A better way is that you can remove this also, put this on top of that. Now you can use this to fix this cover, and now you can put this bulb. So it is done, and now let's plug this and see the beautifulness of this light bulb. So the wire length is about 1 meter, I think, and it has this on-off switch. Okay, so I have plugged in, and now let's on this. Select the switch of the light. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.